Hi, my name is DatT, and this is my project 18. So this is my file structure. This is my main activity. This is my map activity. And this is my layout file. Now we'll demonstrate the project. So I can go to the CS department, and then the map will open up. I can zoom in to the CS department, or I can move away from it and click the location, and then we'll go back to the CS department. And that's it for my project 18. In this project, the additional feature that I added is that down here I have a recycled view of three restaurant locations: Chick-fil-A, Chow, and Pho Lien Hoa. And if I click on them, it will go to the restaurant address. And if I go to Chow, I click on Chow, and the map will go to Chow. And if I go to Pho Lien Hoa, and it'll go to that location. And that's it for my project. Thank you for listening.